Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious and easy cabbage wraps. First, select a large, firm head of green cabbage. You'll need about 12 to 15 outer leaves, so carefully peel them off, trying to keep them intact. Next, blanch these leaves in boiling water for about 2 to 3 minutes until they are soft and flexible. This step is crucial for easy rolling. After blanching, quickly transfer them to an ice bath to halt the cooking process and preserve their vibrant color. This simple preparation sets the stage for perfect wraps. Now, let's create the delicious filling for your wraps. Start with about 1 pound of ground meat, such as beef or turkey, and mix it with 1 cup of cooked rice. Incorporate 1 small diced onion and 2 cloves of minced garlic for aromatic depth. Add 1 egg to help bind the mixture together. Season generously with 1 teaspoon of salt, 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper, and your favorite herbs like dried parsley or dill. Mix everything thoroughly to ensure all the flavors are evenly distributed throughout the filling. With your filling ready and cabbage leaves prepared, it's time to assemble the wraps. Lay a blanched cabbage leaf flat on a clean surface. If the central vein is too thick, carefully trim it down to make rolling easier. Place about 2 to 3 tablespoons of your prepared filling near the stem end of the leaf. Fold in the sides of the leaf over the filling, then starting from the bottom, roll the leaf up tightly. Arrange your perfectly rolled wraps snugly in a large baking dish or a sturdy pot, ready for cooking. Finally, let's cook these delicious cabbage wraps to perfection. Pour 1 28-ounce can of crushed tomatoes evenly over the assembled wraps in your baking dish. For added moisture and flavor, also pour in 1 cup of beef or vegetable broth. Cover the dish tightly with a lid or aluminum foil. Bake your wraps in a preheated oven at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for about 1 hour and 15 minutes, or until the cabbage is very tender and the filling is thoroughly cooked. Serve warm and enjoy your homemade meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.